Welcome. In front of me is the HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, as there is no toggle, and navigate down to battery section right here, and then you can enable your power saving mode or ultra power saving mode, with both of them actually giving you time that the device will run with it being enabled. So power saving mode gets you 53, almost 54 hours. So it's like 8 hours extra of battery life, not that much, but the ultra power saving mode gets you a whopping 126 hours of extra battery life. Now that is more than double the life expectancy of the battery right here. So for clearance right here, power saving mode is primarily what you're going to be actually looking for, because it impacts your device in a very minimalistic way. So it enables dark mode and does a couple of things in the background, while the ultra power saving mode is a good option if you're in a pinch and you need your device to last as long as it possibly can. And but you probably won't be running this all the time. As you can see, it just kind of changes the way the device looks like, what is available to you. So it might not be the thing that you're looking for, but it will extend the battery life. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.